Thank you for joining us today on Black Investments Matter. And I am Antoine Anderson, and we are going to pick up where we left off before the big outage. And we're going to talk about the devastation that has happened in the last 6 months within cryptocurrency. Needless to say, Sam Bankman-Fried ranks up the top of it. But I think even the more damaging thing that happened as far as a GPU miner is concerned was the loss of revenue from proof of work to proof of stake. There's just really no comparison. September happened, and with the Biden administration's new legislation and regulations being put forth on top of the switch, it literally meant overnight any type of profit that you were eking out with the GPU miner is gone. And it has not come back here in January, and I don't think it's ever coming back. There's just nothing out there that can compare to what was going on. Now, needless to say, that represents some challenges for anybody trying to generate some passive income to use to invest in other areas. The opportunities are still there, but they're just not as numerous as they once were. There are still outlets where you can invest or look up new cryptocurrency projects coming to fruition, but I think what happened is those actions, and coupled with Sam Bankman-Fried, it gave everybody a much needed pause on what they're going to be doing with cryptocurrency as a way of earning money or investing. It really took the wind out of the sails of many people, much to our demise. I mean, it's just that bad. So where do we go? Well, investing, fortunately, is more than just cryptocurrency. There are a lot of people out there still making money in real estate. A lot of people out there doing the traditional investment stocks, that kind of thing. But for the average Joe, people like myself, cryptocurrency was a way for me to parlay some of my technical expertise in the computer field and really get a feel of how this thing was going to work. Now, it did introduce me to a lot of stuff in investing that I'm currently getting into as a way to further Black Investments Matter, because this is an area that the African American community in this country has been severely and disproportionately disenfranchised from. That's got to change. And we should never put all our eggs in one basket, and in this case, cryptocurrency being that one basket. What that last year showed us is that we have to be diversified. And you'll hear that a lot amongst people that I'm learning from, that you have to diversify your interest into all different types of fields. You have to just stay profitable. Don't know what else we could do within cryptocurrency, but as a whole, these are the questions we need to be asking ourselves as we move forward towards trying to create those passive income streams to build our financial futures. Without too much being said, or anything else, let's just look forward to those opportunities. We'll be discussing some of them here. I may be putting out a video on an ICO or IDO soon, but again, with all cryptocurrency, you may want to just do severe amount of research before you jump into it. All right, that's pretty much all for tonight. Guys, thank you for joining us, and we will be back very, very soon.